guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Oh, ine irilasi woto. Oh, Ajebo say his mama they pray for everybody. Ajebo, your mama juju, your mama prayer they reach. Why e no start for your body? If your mama prayer na true prayer when they reach, why you poor? Why your mama prayer no help you? Hey, way! I just say mama prayer, mama they pray for everybody. Ajaba, you say your mama they pray. You wear se bois. What's your mama say where? Why do you pray when your mama they pray? Say your mama prayer na otapia pia. Why it no make you rich? Why it not make you rich? Ajabo. Eru no you wear or se bois. What's the una deriyeke? Who won't wa? Who won't talk? Who won't go? Who won't go? Nothing where you get. You just dey Facebook, don't dey shout. Meno, Eru no sine sevi. Besho no what that sevi be. Mama, you say mama they pray for everybody. Your mama prayer they reach. Why you no reach for your body? Your mama prayer no finish on your body. No another person prayer you go reach for your body. People whether they pass spaghetti, they give a me they confirm belle. Now they leru. Oh, honey suffer be. Oh, that woman too suffer. Oh, yagebo. Ariabe wade omonata gebo na no wa nunu yo to na wo wanu ha me gbe na la o eye bie omo ona omo awe ewo ni alive webu me I use bini me I try ewo ni alive webu ena double wa ni jian iya na bo wa ni eriyan iya na yiyan iya na ri na huseri eri ikpe bini ni are webo eri yan ujiyan iya na bo we yana ri ni jiyan are ai one room iya na be ti we bor ye ni jiyan ajebo ma eti bo okay ajebo o lare o ede ni you we nya ede no kian iwunya which compound una go do iberia which compound na go do iberia? Which compound they go do your mama burial? Now see where you see rent for your mama. Now you go for do your mama burial. Oh, I don't dey pity for that woman. Oh, he pay me, oh, they pay, oh, mama, oh. The day when God will call, Baba God will call you now. Oh, the woman will just die, go like that. Oh, mommy enjoy. Oh, mommy enjoy what? Oh, mama Jebo. Oh, we hear le rumuna bo here. Iye me wale rumuna bo ya. Eru will you wear oh my boy? What say we maya richi? Eru no sine orien yele ho ese. A mama pray at the rich. Omo no gbe won mo awebu. Agebo na me ya wefi o. You, if you they talk sometimes, say, you think say, na deaf people, now you they talk to. You think say, na deaf and dumb, now you they talk to. Ewo we gugwan. Iya ma mwere regboto. Ewo we gugwan. Iya ma nyeho. Iya egenya, weta, ziga weta. Iziga. When my men working ado, when I do iziga. That day now your wife voice recording come out. They can't they change am. Your wife voice recording. No, not be your wife voice recording, na my own. You can't they change the matter. Why you they deceive yourself? Why do you bet today? Now this thing now you do come reach today. Sometimes if person talk say he too know, he no go ever make am. People when they say they too know, they don't ever make am. Their friend go want make them lead them, introduce them to business partner. You go they talk another thing or say. This one if they carry on, they go this road you know am o. He no go know this road. He go they tell you say this road you know they lead to anywhere. He go carry you go where road no dey. Owe nya ere ije mele rumuna gbon ya ije mele rumuna gbon ya erun ju wes ose buan what's your na uri yeke as a binima your mama prayer they work why when na deri yeke una de una zaga you see your fullness. You see the way when you take for. You see the way when you take poor. You see the way when you take to go back at the ball, at the pity you. Oh! Okpea, a binima. This man is not a binima. Okpea na yi binima. This man is not a binima. I'm not sure. Binima. If you don't know, oh! Ine! Oh, go dagbare. Now this one, they didn't wish mama house. See, they didn't wish mama. People when don't spend 20 years for Europe. See house when mama they sleep. Oh, in there. See they talk. And they don't know which you go see they talk. Oh, in the way. Mona see us when they don't know which mama they sleep. The person where he video this hardcore, he pass backyard. Hey! When I said that, I wish house. Oh, my love, let me sleep. Oh, my love, I beg, no sleep. See that, I wish mama house. What that boy? These two animals, they don't spend years for Europe. See them. The boy way nya iruno ije le runa gbon ya ije le runa gbon ya eru you we say adebo o we na deri yeke ya. You don't even hear yourself when you talk. You don't even listen to yourself. Abe bro, go dey watch your live video. Sit down, carry one, watch inside. You will see your stupidity. Where you well le rumuna gbon ya. You well le rumuna gbon ya. Oh, when I zuarenya, when I deri yeke ya, una dehi kwa. Oh, I give you a doroke ugbe o. Onokpe no wagele gbe o. 20-something years in Europe. Mama, they see they rate house for mama. The day when mama go die now, where they go perform the funeral, where they go carry mama, where they want go bury mama. Oh, your mama never die. I don't they cry. I don't they cry for your mama. Oh. a disgrace. You are a disgrace. Oh, your mama dey life. Now rent. Now you dey rent for your mama. You dey ticker the top for Facebook. You are a disgrace. Shame on you. Pwee. Fwee. Your mama. This man is a disgrace. Now come and when he caught up with you, so now so you go take useless for the rest of your life. You never see anything. Where when you don't go one more, you can go one more for the rest of your life. See the day now we see mama house. See your colleague. See where your colleague mama they sleep. Porigada. Wele. Disgrace. Live video presenter, me una come commenter, so I me una share this video. Me una make this video reach 200. Well, surely. Ajabo don't dey. If you not there, waiting again. You go meet this video anytime. I be blogger, me una come carry this one. Me una tell Ajabo say they rumuniyan ijena. Eruniya gebona ese erunse. Obo no mana se gbi Ajabo no vie. Your mama dey my mama dey pray, my mama le rumuna gbonye iri, o le rumuna gbonye iri, you we le rumuna gbonye iri. Wo se le rumuni mana se we gbo agebo. Oh, told me. A man that spent years in Europe. This man, his mama that they rent house. Iki dakwa ni le janya ba iki dakwa bedon iki ohe ya ohe ki do de gbudo ejada me you that that's abundant or that who had joy. Ow! Look at that, better the mama in Vivian house. If that time rich, you think say this one go tell Vivian again? Very soon Vivian go drag this one put for outside. Dana. See inside mouth, no teeth again. See he say he be 45 years old man. 45 years old man, teeth no dey mouth again. See my own. Check I'm not a shot that teeth full inside my mouth. He don't reach 50 years old. He say he be 35 years. 35 years. This man now 48, 49. Now this man be. 48, 49. Now this man be. He don't get it for inside mouth again. No teeth. Now only tongue. Can't they mouth with 6 teeth when he get for front. This man, you are a disgrace. Who be the real reasonable human being when they follow this man? Real reasonable human being when he come for Europe, say he come Europe, say he want come happy papa, happy mama, happy brother, happy sister. When he go listen to this useless man, who be that youth? Which youth? May God not let Benin youth listen to you. The day when you go they do live video, may God let Benin youth, may they be deaf that day, may they not hear you. May God let the day when you go they do live video, may Benin youth, may their network not correspond with your own. Which Benin youth, we Gugua, what go back the level, you won't go back the level, you madali jueji. You the help about the level, you are madali yo. If you can't help me cry for you. Obaname. Ine. Batie Nigeria sekea. Your mama they alive. This useless man from over 20-something years. It's a pity. This one thing they pay. The mama don't they sleep for everywhere they go. Tomorrow, the time when the driver for that orphanage or that they constantly drive the woman come out. At the boy, you are a madman. Adebo, you are a useless man. Ew. I pity for the woman. Oh! Ije no poko na yaku. Adebo yakin osonwu pon. Etas! Adebo, enter house, useless man. Get inside. Now come enter house as our brother went did this. Enter house. Now what? Now what? Ukbe. Oh look better. Outside boy. The way when you take the salon for boy, if now so you then make money. We for not see where poor head. Like where I get boy panamia ya who don't do live video. I get boy panamia ya who don't do live video. Everybody go they say make we go hide our head though. Make we go hide our head though. Oya gbe nu re ri ne to sun chamano chama wey dey commit nuisance on social media. Ow I dey pity the woman. One day with the woman can't take picture, with the mama can't take picture, mama no wear cloth. I don't pity the woman, Jebo. I dey cry for your mama. I dey cry, your mama cry. I dey cry, mama cry. I dey cry, mama cry. This want to touch me. Oweru ije leru na gbon ya ije leru no pe awoku you go leru no pe awoku eriwu you go se buan what se no mana se le gbo Adebo mother if they see they do Mother's Day now, this man will see they say they do Mother's Day for his mama. Your mate when they do Mother's Day go reach. Their mate go say, Mama, migo, Mama, Mama, go do Mother's Day, I'm with you picture on 9 years. That day they say, Amen, Vita, Amanza, Vita. Where you go bury your mama put, go remove your mama for there, bury her again. Your mama when they alive, you no feel rent house for her. Now person when mama don't die 20-something years ago, in I go uproot and come on for ground. Your own mama when they alive, you no feel build ordinary 2 rooms. If not most women they 2 rooms, kitchen and parlor. Finish. Now they top house. Your tongue to the shout. House. Now wow. That is high. That away you man. Your mama there like person when mama die. You say make it go uproot your mama when they buried for 20-something years ago. If you uproot her, what you want use and do? Even if how we say you go let Victor and meanwhile do. Say if you bury person, that they uproot her. I think Victor and meanwhile we go uproot your mama, buy land, do small house, put your mama for inside, do another funeral, do burial for her. Victor meanwhile can do it, but your mother is alive. All this Adebo, but you not fit build 2 rooms for your mama. Waka. Jose. Iru da jai. Bonu warek belogi inye. Iru da re myokan. Iru da re dezaga. You can never talk something for this life. All of now when you abandon our children, you people can never have peace. Come on, I dey worry on us. Come on. See life. Person when mama died 4 years ago. Now you they tell us say may go or put him mama. But you went there alive. You not fit build house for your mama. You go talk say they talk. We want to get brain, inside your talk. Now your talk will take they fight you. I can never lie for your head, but your talk now take they fight you. You will not fit build house for your mama. 20-something years for abroad. Friend. Passport, you know, get all your mates when you call of them don't get passport. All of them, they are passport holder. See this useless man. Now me, you want chest. Me, you want chest. See that one. You not go fit chest me because you not rich. You not rich, useless man. You when they wear Nigeria abba-made cloth. Now you they do live video. You know they shame. You know if you enter shop for you, go buy better cloth. Now abba-made. All those women that they carry, they come from Nigeria. Now you want to chase me? Useless man. Lie man. Ooh, shame on you. Ya gba ogi jouer. Go and take care of your mama. Oh, ni jajo. Deli ni jajo. Ya na di ikine na dikmon. Ikine na di Hollandisi dikmon. Ikine asheli iki don ne jineme. Eni iki jajo. I will say you know jajo. If from Victor go buy cloth, buy pancake, you go give her to your mama. Better Eli iki jajo. Your mama they alive. Your mother look like a toilet fly. You wear a toilet fly. You wear ragbon. Che! Oh, your mama no fit control your house. One say your mama fit control your house. Your mama no fit control say na land. I will you wear mugbo beba. Or your mama no fit talk say na one block. Oh, we may. I take your place when you debut house. And they carry the block. Your mama no, you know, nothing. How they call they talk to me? And then I wish when he say you say me, you call they insult me. I said then I wish about me. When I throw away one house, put for social media, that they shout. And then I wish he carried the house. So I tell then I wish say even in 20 years, Joe. The 20-something years when you don't spend for abroad, you don't feel build that house. Now, old house, now they toss, so not be the new one when you day. Even the 20-something years when you spend for abroad, they will add another 20, they will say when you spend another 20 years, don't that 20-something years. That time you don't reach almost 80 years. You no go fit afford that house. When I show for Facebook, you no go fit afford them. You cannot. I'm aware. You know if you afford that. I said then I won't show that one finish at Jebo Oswald. Now you can tell and say my girlfriend, tell and say the one when I show, not be the one when you know. Now then I will say make I can show and the one when my girlfriend tell her. Good night. The one when my girlfriend tell her. Now got us okay. Now that one they wait for. How you doing? Okay now, child love. Good night, sleep well. See you tomorrow if you come back. You see your life. Whether you life you know say. Now you got the chest. You got to say lovely, 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 lovely. Benin when you say now you be now Benin now you for come. And now they me go back. Me la drame we ti me go ba dole doji akile ake olare omi me ade who go ba dole doji was baba you see that street where they that area you say I say number so something for there na be my house we what bo wa ye we bo wa ye do do eke o we sanhin Adebo no fit build anything na me want chase you this useless man when frustrate. You this useless one when they lick all toto they go. When no lick you are a total licker to be surviving. I'm not a prick licker. How they use prick till they survive? Never. I cannot just say I want carry prick say make they survive with prick. Where ya survive the total licker? Make us licker. When my hey here re shit Uwe yare re. The one where they just for finish. Na. With this palm. Iya musekenu yo ugbunu yo. With you, all those women when you they carry no work, bolukpe yin uhekiana, ubolukpe yin uhekian. O pebe ya wa meeting for baba na yan mugo bukpe yo we no la lesa gien. Pwe, shwe. What is it? Twice as I speak, so make una speak for am. Make una speak for am. Make una say uta. Pwe adabo. Pwe as I say pwe. So make una say pwe. Make una speak for am. You when they lick a woman to they go now me you they talk to. When they sit down, you use better soap to wash and freshen her up. Now you go they use your mat they wash. Pwe, just say it want to know say be whether just say kwe. Useless man. Now you they cut off for Facebook. See. When conori wonu yafo. Because water don't destroy your teeth for inside your mouth finish. Oh, pwe, unu no na ya gwa, unu no ya no gbolupe ya vien. E na gbolupe ya vien e ko elo me wene tao. Pwe, adebo, e na mien da wefe. Woni aye we aye tie o. Efe yan tie ya. Is here fayan tie when no bolupe you when they lick woman under. You when they lick woman under. You when they lick woman private part. Now me you they talk to. When no bolupe you who hekian when no licky when no licky. Ah when no lalu avion no rihuo when no lalo Nissan no rihuo. We gbelo a egbe akpoyi. Oh, lovely not the lick man dick. Lie to lie. Lick man dick. Who be that man? But I saw one of that no woki huru nine. Where? Eh? You went see the man. Don't know the ki that seke. Don't know the real twea. I set the camera, but they say, see, which mat? No, they no bit on no twea, when no nane dishan. When no sock minaka, when no sock avien shan. You when they sock avien, they go now, you they talk. As you sock avien rich, you better. Who just is sock avien kwa for nothing sake. Oh! Any woman will just, you go just climb up. Any woman when just climb and go just they do this one when they fuck anything fuckable. Okay, I don't fuck anything fuckable is a smelly idiot man. Okay, when they fuck anything fuckable. You carry woman go hotel, you go they lick the woman to. That man told they lick all those are le kute toto. Now me they use until they talk to. Oh no, the day didn't say the day. Eh? Na me they use until they talk to. Oh, where Sarah? Ene khoilo no rave ke we ine. Ije wale rumune boya. Ije wale rumune boya. Ata yo kago. Ije wale rumune boya. Ije wa. Erumi ju we say ya. What's your no mama say bro? Your mama prayer they reach. Why not reach for your body? A mother prayer could do reach for his own son to become something in life. Bonu kwa no ruda kwa. U kwa benya na ba mi ran re renye. See your life. Oh. I there. Oh, senanya. You don't know say tomorrow. You don't know what tomorrow won't be. See your life. Oresha nana nye no se I let there. Olesha nana nye no se They said they know what tomorrow go become. Now it make person they live well. Anything you see in this life, do and well. Because now tomorrow, now we dey or now we dey wait for tomorrow. See your life. See the useless witch when they see the restaurant house when mama dey. Hey! Oh, Obamegbe! Oba bebe gbegbe. Oba bebe gbegbe. Ajebo be dede na wish. Oba bebe gbegbe niva. Oh! Iye o. Ewo bonu wa munokwa. Ewo neru in Nigeria bonu wa munokwa. Ani ewo neru onu wa. Oh, Jebobi, edede na wichi. What that's about Buwani Nele. These two useless people that spend years in abroad. Two useless fools. Two useless fools. These two useless people. They couldn't afford a house for their mother. They couldn't build a house for their mother. Even if it's 1 room, 2 rooms. Even if it's 2-bedroom room and a parlor and a kitchen and sitting room. These two idiots, adult delinquent, couldn't afford it for their mother. It's a pity. We have this kind of useless people in social media. It's a pity that we have this kind of people in a cyberspace. It's unbelievable. A woman that spent 2 decades. This woman couldn't afford a building, ordinary 1 room. Look at this woman. Her mother is sleeping rest hand house. People when even people when they village when their children not there abroad, they're not there Agmoba house again. Some of them now this is that they use an apple that they use and take the soap now that they pack firewood for there. They use and talk to kitchen. E de den na which we tell Ajebo na miria use ogogo. Ogogo wa sabuda mi ogogo wa gbon kitchen onirio not with France. Oh we nya wa wame Ajebo wa wame ukia mi ogogo. Wari ebo ukia mi ogogo wa nwan ukia mi ogogo ni onire gun you da mi ogogo. You can never find peace. How you want to find peace? Now, so how you want to find peace? You see your life today now. You know they do. You they die silent. You know what your mate pass you. You know what your mate pass you. Men like you wanna enter Europe the same time. You know what they take pass you. We know what they take pass you. They pass you. You know they follow them wakana. We never see the real men. Now the one when you go gather that day na IK. Enogie, Don Prince, Ugo Janara. Not those ones you go gather that day. You come for your money, come feel say he get past those ones because it is a senior those ones for abroad. All those ones they get past you. They get past you. All those little boys when they want talk to their chairman. Chairman, my foot. Chairman, my axe. You don't want to be a chairman. You don't have money. That is why the union couldn't stand. The union couldn't stand because why? You are a poor man. Poor men. No, they do union. The little boys see you that you are a poor man. That is why they use the union to do caricature on social media. They bring the union. We use the union to play. We send that name, we send it to fire. That name don't they born for fire union. Union for we a poor man. That is why, because you are very poor. You are poor in spirit, you are poor in physical, you are poor in your doing, everything about you, you are poor. That is why this thing, it no surface. It's a dead union. A union where the chairman is a lazy fool. He's a caricature fool. A poverty stinking man. A man that cannot afford 1 cent. 1 cent. This man cannot afford 1 cent. He's just on social media shouting, ranting, just raising dust for just noise. He's a dust raiser. He dey raise dust. This one. This man can never talk any talk when he go enter my ear because he's a poor man. We know the men when we say yes, they get it, that they talk. We know say that they talk. Not be this irrelevant fool. Get something busy with. Go and get a job. Get a job. Start working. So that this or disgrace we go away from you. Ukme disgrace, ukme disgrace, ukme poverty. Look for a place, look for a pastor or a native doctor that will cast this poverty away. You said that your mother prayed for people. Your mother prayer is so special. Why did you poor? So your mother prayer couldn't help you to be rich. Your mother prayer is a useless prayer. There is no children born from another mother that will take your useless prayer where your mama they pray. So your mother could not use her own prayer to make you to become a rich man, to make you to become a comfortable man, to make you to become a balanced man on this earth. Your mother's prayer make you to be a useless and stupid fool, a man that don't have anything doing every day, yes to yes, month to month, week to week. This man is a fucking fool. Look at your life today. Look at your life. Wow, it's a pity for Vivian. It's a pity. This kind of man. Vivian don't deserve you. You people, you are just doing fake life, fake marriage. Suffering and smiling marriage. God forbid. May God not let me end up with a man like this. God forbid. Instead of me to end up with a man like this, I will just go and look for where when I will just disappear. Just come out. This useless man. A foolish, bonfou man. A man without nothing. A man without no background. A man without no future. A man without no... He don't get future. Your mate that gets it. You don't have. You are a useless man. A useless man. A man without nothing. That is what you are. You are a... Oh my God. I don't know how... I don't know the kind... I don't know the name that I will put you. Something that will match you. Look at your life. You are shouting on social media. Your mama is they pray for person. Your mama prayer is so active. Why do you become a poor man? If your mother's prayer is an active prayer, why did you poor? And especially without poor. Your mama prayer is the most useless prayer on this earth. Your mother's prayer is the most useless prayer. Anybody that your mother pray for, let that prayer go back to you. Because that prayer is a useless prayer. You know the shame. Then they pack spaghetti can't give you. Now your mama they pray put. Okay, spaghetti. Just say your mama prayer for spaghetti when they go pack for Caritas, for this thing. And the prayer want to reach. Your mama no even get what you want pray for. Look at the way where your mama take sit down. Your mama see the way where you take sit down. Your mama sit down without no wrapper. You believe women, they go use Holland stay so boba wear. Use the second one take tie. So boba, I ain't Benin woman. I know for Benin women, like your mother age. Like your mother age, they go use boba. Ekiri boba, ekiri soupmon. Ekiri Hollandis. They go use Hollandis. Take so cloth wear boba. They go use one take tie. Why you take your mama come out? Buere mine dagbare je, ine bano dagbare. You naked your mother. Look at the place where you naked your mother. A useless man. When you go Nigeria, go sit down with your mama. Mama no wear cloth. Your mother couldn't wear cloth. You are a shameless man. You are an idiot. You are a non-entity. You are a vagabond. You are a stupid element. You are a condemned element. You are a condemn. Ni mudo bewo wan sa son na ni vagu na sogu won ogun. Ow! I spit for you. You are a useless man. Who you they talk to? Who be the Benin person where they talk to? Because all those ones that they pretend they follow you, now if you say you they talk. Enter house, a shameless man. A man that spent decades in Europe. This man don't spend 2 decades and 5 years. 25 years. 1 decade now 10 years. Now it be 1 decade. 2 decades now 20 years. Plus 5 years, 25 years. Now this man don't spend for Europe. If they talk, who you they talk to? Me. Now me you they talk to barrister. I mean you they talk to the month, the craze. You don't wear, you don't bath. Look at you. Who you they talk to? Who be that? Who you they talk? Your talk now will they beat you. I'll be beating you with your talk. You got the right for my platform that they say, not the insult at the boy. Guys say, yeah, I'm not going to insult you. Now you got the right that comment to this useless man. Say, see this fool. For a comment, amigo. Nobody will go tell me, say, make I not insult you again because they know say you be useless, man. I got the right to not the insult again. I beg, and not insult at the boy again. And I say, yeah, no, says now to my mind, say, I've no one insult them before. Now they think I will make me the insult. I don't know, say, I know, say, now they comment for them. You are a vagabond. He's a vagabond. He's a useless man. Man, when somebody carry come Europe, you abandon the children. You got to say, may you come, may your life better for you. May your life better for you. Now that motor when you dey ride, now you take that accident. You go break leg, you not go die. Never gonna leave you, but you go break leg. That light when you put for my head, say, an iron dey my leg. Now you go later carry that iron for your leg. You go later, that iron, now you go carry me. Anything when you take insult me, it must surely come back to you. You see your poverty life. Did you see your poverty life? You are too poor for my life. You too poor. A poor man. See all your mates. 6 months more children. 6 months more children when they fall like Baduza enter house. Go see what that they use what they do for Bini. That they follow people, they drag land. Brother, I want to buy now 2 million. I bet tell her say I will pay 2.something million. Now your land that's 150,000. This man no buy. Land, he dey 150,000. Then they sell land, even 100 by 100 sell. They sell 150,000, 200,000. When this man come, this man no buy. He no buy. They sell half land 400,000. At the bottom me go red. They come on 400,000. The money when the woman they pay you that time when you they do babysitter for her. Where you go? Whether it was a buy punish you where here. Where you go? Where babysitter money? Anywhere you don't know where they can be in work ya. Where babysitter money? Babysitter also where both where babysitter. Oh, where te gui our wako komo. Oh, now they follow, now they carry woman and carry children pardon. Walking the way your mate they go walk. You go use until they carry picking up pardon. Make they say you be good father. How you tell be good father? If you are not good to your first children, the rest children, you know they're good for that. You cannot pretend. You cannot hide it. They say leopard cannot hide his spot. Never can a leopard hide his spot. They can never hide it. Where the money, you see life. You see life. Your own children, they can't pay you put. You can never make it. Ajebo, no where make it, iki dankwa bedon. I go because of you turn to termites. No make it. Ajebo, no make it, iki how get dankwa bedon. You can never make it. Now, so I tell the day now which. I tell the day now which you no fair maker. As you come this Facebook, you can never make it. I go chew come for you and the day now which head. You with the day now, you know power velo. Una not go blind, but the tears will come off on eye. Go there, you never know anything. I said the day now which I tell you and take worker for this social media. You don't bonnet the rock bonnie bonalo. I use and take tonto backyard broom. I just at the time I went to tonto itiku broom. Itiku broom. And if you use a test sweep enter tiku, you go put them for egbitiku. Egbitiku aru o when I regbon tiku fio. Are na wa. Na so I do the na we. O when I akpo tiku. Are la uwo wa. Isi tiku we ba ye say ai. O when I regbon tiku you know that tuku. Lea, I hahawa, like bear, ijinek beba bono boho. Oh! See old cargo for Europe. They couldn't build a house for their mother. It is painful. It's painful. Kai. Oh, you na mira wefe. Poverty sticky talk on amira with on ya wefe. That is now talk they use and take talk. Everybody go say God forbid don't and amira wefe you know see nine take do nine be richness. God forbid. Look at your mother. See your mama. Person when died 4 years back. You thought say make them go. You tell Victor say make it go or put his mama for grant. The mama when don't die 20-something years ago. When they bury from Victor mama put it doing. Yo, you not feel even build one room for your mama. You there alive. Your mama they rent house to house. They pursue your mama pursue. Oh, chai. Oh look, Bernard. Where desire. As you make your mama to be caricature on this social media. Now you go still be when you don't reach your mama age. Disgrace must still follow you as they follow you. Now this disgrace when they follow you, now it will follow you for the rest of your life. See the disgrace, is not that you will back may not be yao. Me are the spirit for you. The disgrace will follow you or you walk back may not be yao. Uwe karanu ya mona. Na wana na yeme o. Adebo na poamano. Na wana no yeme. Adebo na poamano. Na wana no yeme. Adeboy ya rent yo you weren't your je iye me ma la rent okwewu oja waja iyu we ma ve ti po wa o ikwe do ya ni re do yan ga me tiri room si yan ga me ruto room ya wo wi me o wa ni bo e na kere ni ya atweke alubara ni ya atweke tomatoes so when wa be ho ana Edo wa we ho wa egbe. Unyu we kelewe ni kelewe. Oni we elu yo genya unye no ni re yugwa. You go see when you when you we je na your mama old age. Oh wa ni abo egeni. Iya yaga to tie obi e do one way ye one can't change it or change it. Go break some part, you go make her white again. You go do it. Agabawa mi onolu we gbise muelo we gbise rele ise wa ki gbono rele killing fly and chopping it though as Monica Lobolobo talk killing fly and chopping it oh killing fly and chopping it Renovate they don't even see house when this one feed renovate. Renovate house, no. Renovate grant, no. More block, no. Buy a bag of cement, no. Carry water for cement, no. Fue. It just a feche, a beche. Adebo uki. Udan, olore, olanyo, I want you for no dotota. Oratota. Short it, begboo. Short smile. See your life. You work have a good now. I want a kereti more mortuary. Hey, Hey, iya jebo wo. Make you dey cry the cry. Good evening, how you dey? Make you dey cry the cry, oh. Oh, I keep now. May you so quick chairman in now. Now give am woto. Una don't say if they laugh like this, now don't say my trouble now. You don't get part 2. Double one in there. Naruto room. Now they rain for your mama. If they drive you for orphanage or they drive your mama Jonah. Iye wasu sekya wo edo. Iya debo wasu se o you are welcome, my love. Oh, iya debo wasu se kian o edo. Oh, iya debo adebo no gbe won mo o, ura gbe won mo o, uyebere adebo no gbe won mo o, ura gbe won mo o, uyebere. You think say you want know how to kolo? Where you work by me where Zaga I gbe boni bona gbe mi na. Oh, I gbe bona gba kwa ga ko iwo kan kire gbe bi Facebook where de Zaga. Oh, and then you work yan wu I work rent mo ari mortuary. And then ya de bo yan wu ara rent mo I mo ari mortuary. And then ya de bo yan wu ara rent hasi mo I ke ba ni mo ari mortuary. Oh, iye le o owa le jan I don't really ever give your body yeke. Ow! Ogboka no wo ba o igbagban me shishi no dey nyash. You go to see matter kon when man wey say be 45 years no teach for math again. No teach our mogilo wa muwe. It go swallow like snake. Ow! Shame on you, you are a disgrace. A man that spent 20-something years in Europe. I say, ye na yo ware, na ye retire. Is a pity, he pay me. Oh, yao. Ow! Kai! Chi! Yeah, the boy. Oh, Mama. Whatever that go as I were ye beer, because if you born again, you go still born at the boy. If I the boy, mama they come life next time. He say you no go born again. Ha! That woman just suffer from rain to rain. All the old room when they Benin City, mama the boy don't rent off finish. Ah! It's a shame. Is a shame you wear my control wa. You know control has gone reach this time. Some Benin women they Benin there in control wa. O wa no we boy mi na sakpo baro di eva. Here ya vie rent ni we mi ya delemi o mi when ya vie di rent. O wa no we boy okoro di eva. Ya mi rent. O wa no we boy regro di eva. And they go there. I want go carry rent. Your mama no get the one when they go. He come Facebook, they shout. Who you they talk to? We won't be old school. I don't know why this woman let you go like this. This woman, why you not collect the money when you take carry this one? Come make Vivian pay. If you still come up for Vivian hand again, Vivian will still collect the money for the woman when you go meet. Now said that they said this or this one are buying and selling. He's a slave man. Adore it. A slave, he become a slave, useless man on social media. Slave trade, they buy what. He's a useless man. Your mate they are in the work, carry motor, lovely and they ride motor. That one useless car. I dey groove bicycle, electric bicycle. When I dey groove, you know how much it be. It say na moi. How much you take buy that yama car? Car when they want go demolish, when you buy 500 euro, now you can't put it like this. I say, shut up, that's 16 teeth will remain for your mouth to cover her. Oh, wait 45 years old. Now only 16 teeth don't dey mouth. Another 16 don't come out. Akonwaye gbahunu. Akonwaye gbahunu. If now say yes, lovely na lie. You crishot the teeth come out. My people, they see the crishot teeth come out for inside mouth. He can't write for my comment. Not the saga the boy again. I say see that the boy zuo. Facebook when I don't date for how many years now? You want to tell me say me I not saga you again? Can't they saga? Can't they use fake account the saga? Say see mumu. Mumu.com. Mumu when you mumu for Euro now make you know better. See all your mates. See Benin men. If the Benin men they go house, you see their houses. Who they build hotel, they build hotel. Hello la vie. Where kwa bonu kwa na. Where kwa. Where chovie neve lele. Uchovie neve lele. See the now we see mama house. This one at 20-something years in abroad. Get it to 30 years. See restaurant house. Ow! Ah! This restaurant house, it don't reach 150-something years old. And then on what, ow, the now witchy. Ow! You are ashamed to where you for come to Igbanke when you for the come. You are a shame. You are a disgrace to Igbanke. See house when mama dey restaurant house. If your mama dead, they say chigom articles. Articles on the one place. I say articles on the one place. And when make it John. If mama go there now let this is salt. Now mama they tie. Then they come carry. He say he don't talk her. Anybody when reach in the house, I beg, don't call police for her. Then the video your mama go to be without they don't see your mama. They don't see the people. Stay there. They find they go carry the red-handed. I want to see I want to quick. They go don't take a picture. Ooh. Oh, yo, I say anybody when he reach, he don't talk. Anybody when he reach his mama cup and make them hold the person. I say seriously. Before you machine Vigbera, Aki will more record the house. Wait, whether we go call carry phone, call the video your mama for where and from a far away. From far away, two people, two adult fools, adult delinquents, irrelevant fools, irrelevant father and mother. The day na which abandon her own child when he carry belle for primary 4 take born. This useless one when they up, he abandon his 2 daughters for Spain. See una life today, but I they do na for body na. The saga they do na for body what to go to. We they use una take they crack get this thing cruise. You know see the way when a party below you. As a back below and finish, you can't do darkness. Now darkness, you can't do life with you. I don't say anybody when you see the go to for body go enter darkness. I'll say come. They go enter darkness. That's it. Your mama pray and not the rich. Or when I can poverty when ya. Now you don't feel beautiful for your mama pray at the rich. Oh! I want to be where I'm in a jebo. Oh, the day we're supposed to day house. The day we're supposed to day house. Now the day called day orphanage house. Oh! Orphanage house. Unye no guwa. Unye no guwa. Orphanage house. You say when you date small, now orphanage house, now you for grow. Your mama don't old. Your mama still dey orphanage house. Orphanage house, why orphanage house? From orphanage house, why whoever I am with you, Toby Mina. By where you tell me. That is why I pass social media they call her. Emi teme. Ikaba go to emi teme. So Oruwa unye. Get your orphanage home. Ha! How can Omano Meravage or orphanage home? Is your orphanage home? Or your orphanage home? Ah, I know now. Lord Jemisha. Una be wonderful people. Don't cry. Tears not the green come out from my eye. For where I want to see cry. Now me want cry your cry. God forbid me. God not let me cry poverty cry. Pweh! Ow! Hi! Oh, now they sharp part. If they sharp, I just say, guy, your frustration, they cry. They cry by yourself. You go cry, you go tire. We won't be say we get. We they use people till they do caricature. We are using you to crash groove. Now we they use it. We they use you today while I wait time because we know say you don't get. We know that you don't have. That is why we are using you to make yeje. We they use it they do caricature. You know that women when you they talk to they get. We use it they do caricature. Marek, mama be malu, makile mahon, make your message to Adebo, and Amira, you poverty stinking man. No man, but what yo? Your charger, I come and have it. Baby charger no seva. Meze we robust on the charger now. Come and have it. How are you? When do you come back? 1 hour. Lock my door and go. There's no back I don't buy. What is buying? Breaking news. There's a back I buy. And then I wish. I felt to say mama go betray her. Mama go betray her. The next meet now. For the coven, now they na winch. If mama go betray a winch they can betray themselves. They are betrayer of trust. You can never trust them. Very soon now, mama go see carry and chopper. The boy when fed they used to take ton to fish, drink, Gary finish. Now this uncle they cry. Say Gary side. People gonna say take heart. Because they say now say who do now they say may take heart. Person where keep brother eat. Now that they say may take heart. Hey, they can't take heart. They gonna say I say see this woman when they keep their brother they buy their brother eat by themselves. They can't conquer this. It also get by Dima. We know now. Before now go land, we don't know where now for the fly. They can go put nets for road so that if now they fly, they come. The net go catch you now. Banowa don't river fifia. See now, since when you take your brother eat now, you with your mama, will you feel better? Only your brother when una kid na o se me wewe gbe. O se me wewe gbe nya gbon wa ye ma. O dare Ajebo re kan gbe Ajebo no wa sabo bi du wa ni no. Ajebo no fit build house for him mama. Is a shame. One orphanage home to another orphanage home. One orphanage home to another orphanage home. If the driver Ajebo for where this man this man, mama no they watch television. You know they watch television. He say your orphanage home, no television. Television when Douglas buy for her. It's now waiting at the color. Is this okay? Douglas, I'll be waiting at the color. The television when they buy for her, they carry a commode. If mama no they watch television. Ow! Ona miera wo try change. You know go fit make her. If you like change, if you like not change, how you want to make her? The time when they build house, you don't see money to build Nana you want see money to build where? The time when they sell land, 150,000, 250,000, 300,000, you don't feel buy. Nana you won't come buy land for Benin when they say 4.5. where the cheapest one now they talk so 4.5, 5 million. Now you want come buy. Now you want buy. Eh? Is your look or that widow? Or that man where he live, mother of his children, go marry widow. This man is a man, is a sick poverty. If this man is a man that know himself, when he have problem with his wife, he will still be there in Spain. He will be working. He will be working to take care of his children. What did he do? He traveled all the way from Spain and come to Germany to be staying with widow. Did you see your life? There is a man there in Spain, and they divorced with their wife. They are still there in Spain working. They even buy a house there. They bought a house there. Come reach today now, waiting you don't achieve. Since that woman drive you command, what did you achieve in your life? Nothing. Nothing. A traitor, a liar, a destroyer, a criminal, any yawagba wobo. It doesn't mean that they handcuff you, all the old handcuff go finish. I will not handcuff away for the sin when you they sin. And your criminal acts, they all see handcuff you. The handcuff go finish for police station. They'll first use number 1 handcuff, you thief 3,000 euro. They use number 2 handcuff your wife. If they pay you money when you take they carry his children. Number 3, you thief money. You first thief money for Spain. Number 4, handcuff number 4. The orphanage house, when somebody give you television, everything where it dey, you pack all of them. You pack all of them, follow body, or they go collect them for your hand. It dey police station. And we say you pack come on for that house. You not take shishi come on for that house. My people, the property go dey police station. The property not be stolen property, not be the state police station. You will come and say, na lie, when you go to police station, it's property when they steal. Now the police station. A stolen property. Now that they see for police station. Stolen property. If motor they come, now police say this motor say they don't already get information, say they go thief for so place. The motor when they go to tifo, the property when they go tifo, you go there police station. A stolen property, now the police station. I wish you didn't steal that thing. There is no way that thing will get feather and leg and fly away and meet themselves in police station. You think say now you get brain. Now your people, now you they talk, and your people know you. They are just there. Just they are the foolish one, the one will be criminal like you. Now they support. Even criminal cannot support yourself. Or you can't the bar where you say no, man, they not condone me because of this one. Any property you see in the police station is a stolen property. I wish you didn't steal that property. How did that property go to a police station? I wish you left. You take the 3 children when it did the orphanage with your mama. Now make her before. I wish you take your mother and those 3 children out of that orphanage. Those things that is there, you didn't touch them. Those things, they will not be at the police station. Because you store them where you keep those things. That is the place. They take that thing, they take them to police station. Because you are a criminal. A stolen property, they keep them in the police station. Why the property was there in police station? Because you stole them. I wish you left that property. That property will still remain inside that house. Because you stole them. That is why the property, they are there with the police in the police station. Then, who you come to Zuzu for? We know you. If we want to analyze you, just they shout. But if I want to analyze you, I will hit it. That make you they cry. Why you they beat untouchable mama today? You they pull life untouchable mama head. You be one go do pray for where untouchable mama did. Untouchable mama not want you. You know they flirt, they join his husband. Or what be called Bebo? He say untouchable mama carry my video. Now it be the crime when untouchable mama commit to. The crime that untouchable mama carry my video. And another crime say he thought untouchable mama. If you want go do central there, untouchable mama no need that. Untouchable mama no need you. He's a married woman. Why do you always go for married women? Why? Because he said that one day Oyibo house. Ojuki ra. Vivian, Safrio, that small boy when they carry the go, may not go sell am o. Can so the okishofia. He can sell your child to slave trader. You go your son, you go sell him to slave trader. Where? Now let small little time. You have to stay with Vivian. Just little time. Go man today, they down. Only little time. That thing, when they drive, you go still push you come on for there. You can never have peace. Peace will never locate you. The day God will share peace, God will never favor you. You can never be favored from God because you are an evil man. Criminal. Not be God friend. When you sold your hand in an evil way, God can never bless you. Stolen property when you stole, they are in the police station. You thief or pay. One man give you money, you thief 3,000. You reach Nigeria again. You person when give you house, then you say, may you come on. Everything when they that house, you steal all. You pack all. Then at the end of the day, the something the police station. You they come, they tell us story. It's a stolen property. Now that they see for police station. Stolen property, it end in police station. Who are you talking to? Now, Mumu, because you be Mumu, now you feel say you they talk. People go they say you they talk. It's only Mumu now you go talk to. Even Mumu self no go even listen to you. If you don't know, because you don't know anything, you don't know law, you don't know as law they waka. Stolen property, now they stay police station. If you don't steal that property, how come that property is in the police station? Because you steal them. Where you keep that property, they take it from there and take it to the police. Because if you tell police, say, they seize your property, police will say, where the property? They will carry and they go write and down, say, now waiting they see for your hand be this one. You know the shame, just less man. If they call, they say, now me want the zuzu with you, don't bath. Go and learn how to make money before you talk to barrister. Lovely Ikioya. I'm a barrister. When you are talking your matter and once you spit out, I don't already get the answer when I will take the word back to your mouth. Look at your life. Today, Uko, you never gog. You never gog. Train when it carry you, don't come up for train track. Train that carry you is out of train track. You when they say lovely and they go Nigeria, lovely and they go Nigeria, say get away you. Now Nigeria they go. When they go invite you for dance, you go stay inside nylon bag. Inside nylon bag, inside dirty place, dirty fool. How many of your men they sit down for inside this thing? They don't ever see you for inside her. Not beside dirty place, now be you they stay. You will carry money when you work, it say alubara remain. When they say alubara, when they give change, you forget all that the money will come. You will come high for your hand. You don't see money when they carry since the way when it dirty. Now money when it dirty, now they high. Money when they carry when you go carry for a bank. If you hold 200,000, you go maybe you go be like say nothing dead there. Now alubara money. Oh, go inside market. I bet go help me bring 200,000 or go help me bring 50,000 because you don't rise 50,000 for inside money for inside key 50,000. If they rise, if they can't carry, you can't carry 50,000 like this. Say lovely, he don't go this thing. He don't owe money. Bring notes. If you do it like this, you don't see notes when they carry come for this thing. What I want to do, if you do it like this, it go fit cut you. You don't know say, new money, it go fit cut you. Be like razor blade. If you drag, if person hold new money like this, if you hold on like this straight, you drag am for your hand, the money go fit cut you. See the money when you dey spray. Now you tell me say they spray. You know if you go bank, go bring money. Money when they spray, money when they use plastic tail. Money when they use plastic tail. Real money that when they bring come for bad, they use plastic tail. Now paper, now they take the whole land. Paper, you go make fake if you hold on like this. Oh yeah, your old, they don't use your old, they do a zuzu. Now so your old they be. See ya. When your 50,000 when they give you, if they high price this one, I fear zuzu. See ya. No use and fear zuzu. It cannot give you a useless man, criminal. Oji gbo ojoba ojewo we ti yen gbo ba dolo doji oji we gbo ba dolo doji a to we kan gbiku jebu wa oji ole tifi jan kolike awaju she aba people me go dey live now ona we ti yen ije le rumu na gbon ya erun no you we ose buan o we na wuri yeke ya o na gbe o we boa Eruni yuena or sebwan yuena jewo or meme Nigeria. Your mama look like a mad woman. Or one of your rewebo. See the way the woman look like mad woman. The day when this woman carry mama, the mama no wear clothes. No matter how heat go there for Nigeria. Benin women that they use boba. They will use the second one to tie hair. See the way when mama take the dance for inside a dance. Ekenije na rieva ekian ijo ijeve kita no rieva eli abebo kian iju wo ijeve kita no rieva ela abebo kian oh yeme o so yame o yeme o we ihi iju we ari eto na ilogo oh yeme o ni you we me va to na rita oh yeme o ira geba oh yeme o to han we oh yeme o fuen. Do you want to talk to my mother? Do you know how many house my mother controlled before my mother died? Do you know how many house? May her soul rest in perfect peace. May her soul rest in perfect. They need you where you control common land. Your mama not control common land. Iya gebo arie eto ona ilogo o ni ya gebo mi o waja eto ona rita o iya gebo o ya ma o iya gebo o ya ma o. It is a bibini women when you dey go they say I fuck you, I lick you, come here, peace for your mouth, make I shoot a top for your mouth. Uhenuwe ya lale esagien ke yaru nuye akon yaru goro you wekunufo. Go to dentist. Have broken teeth you have in your mouth. Go to dentist. Let them take it out. Ga kon ya gore na akon ye. Ari ye wa koko no ma ko iso le vale. When you swallow meat, Pikin tell the papa say, ah, daddy, you don't chew meat. He say, Pikin say, you don't know how far. Oh, yeah, no, they told. Do you know the part of it? He's just teaching that little boy how to be lazy. That is what he's doing to that boy. And one day, the boy is going to ask him, Daddy, why are you not going to work? It's only my mommy that is going to work. Very soon, when that little guy become 7 years old, I think that guy is like 5 years, something 5 years, you know. Yeah, I think that little boy is something 5 years. I got a picture for you. Make I put your pikin picture. Now because of Vivian. Now it make me not put the pikin picture. The pikin, if you say I lie, I go put her for you. But now because of Vivian, the way when I hate you, I don't hate Vivian. I don't dislike Vivian, to be frank and sincere. If not be saying now Vivian, now because of Vivian, I have that little boy. I have the little boy. If I just want to put it, I will put it and bring it out. I say, no, may I not use and go to the offend that woman. Now because of Vivian, I make me not bring the pikin come out. The boy now, what are you giving to that boy? What are you teaching that boy as a father? Do you know most of those useless men? What you do in the presence of your children, that is what your children get. When you tell your children this is how they do life, your children know that this is how they do life. Okay, what are you giving to your child now? Let's be realistic. Let's say the truth here. Most of the people that clap for Ajebo is just spoiling that little boy, letting that little boy know that men do not work. Men do not, okay, what do you give to that guy? Now, what are you putting inside that little guy? Every day, Monday till Friday, you are home, busy with that boy. And Monday till Friday, your wife is telling the children, I am going to work, oh, bye. They'll say, mommy, bye. Maybe the day the mommy didn't go to work, you say, mommy, are you not going to work today? Mama will say, no, today is my resting day. Okay, what are you telling these children now? What are you showing these children as a father? And those children, that little boy, the boy knows that you don't work. You think that boy know that? You think he didn't know that you don't work? The boy know 100% that you are a lazy ass man. Don't think that boy is a little boy. Don't think that boy is a little boy. When that boy starts school now, they will ask the boy, which work did your father work? The boy will say to the teacher that his father is not working. He's staying at home. The teacher will say, your father is not working. He say, no, my father is not working. My mother is working. Then what are you teaching that little boy? What are you teaching that little boy? Let's say the facts here. You just want to useless that little boy life. Yes. How can a man stay at home being babysitter? Being babysitter to a little boy. The mother is going to work. He said, oh, darling, I'm going to work. Bye. He go say, mommy, bye. Then, Ajebo, did you ever leave that house and tell your son, oh, baby, bye? Or Sylvester, bye? No. Then what are you saying? What did they talk? What did they talk? What are you giving people there? All those people near what are you giving them? Yes. Children do know when their father is going to work. Children know when their father is coming back. You see some children, when their father is going to work, they will say, Daddy, bye. Even he said that Papa go drop them for school before they go work. You know? Then when their father is coming back, you see most of them, they will stay at the window. They will be looking outside if their father is coming. What are you putting in that boy? What are you teaching that boy? That little boy, teaching that boy that you are a lazy man. You are a useless man. The boy know that you don't go to work. Even the boy that asks you, Akonogu where? Why you don't chew? Your little boy asks you, why you don't chew? You are if you don't use the two teeth when they here cut and finish, the next thing you go swallow. Ah, Mr. Man, I don't have problem with you. You know, consign me. What you will do? Get a job. Get a job. Live video is not going to give you any money. Do you know why you are shouting, ranting on social media there? Because the other time, Enoge came to show 800 and something thousand. That is why you come out. If you beat me for 20 euros, I will beat you for 30. That's why shame of yourself. If somebody should beat you for 20 euros, you have to beat that person for 30 euros. You still reduce yourself. You can never make it. Where to make it? You cannot chase me. When I say about chesting, even me will be woman. You don't feel chest me. Talk like say now men. Now you will go chest. As he just said, no, get bring 8,000 plus. This woman, this man, he dada grow. He just grow dada. He grow iyaga. Then he take social media, say, yes, they make money there. Who tell you? You don't know how far. Before you go know how far, you go carry disgrace enter house. Look at the union you gather. You tell them that you are a charmer. You want to be the charmer. How can a poor stinking man be a youth charmer? Does that really work? A foolish man, a liability buffoon, trying to be a charmer to a youth. Now I make Don Prince say make they comot you. Don Prince right. That is why Don Prince said that no, you are not worthy to be a charmer. Money no day. Go. This man went to shopping. I think he spent 75 euro. Do you know that this man put himself on live video saying that you see this shopping now 75 euro? I say, you are a disgrace. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Some fathers, let me tell you, if you don't know, some fathers, when they are going outside, when they are coming back, just chocolate, candy, biscuit, different something, ice cream. When they buy it for their children, it's already 70 euro. Not be the one when you put for this thing that they can't show us. You are a foolish man. That you will remain foolish for the rest of your life. You can never grow up. You can never excel in your life. A man that couldn't afford just 2 rooms for his mother. A man that his mother is sleeping orphanage house. Since I was born, I have never seen a grand woman, a grandmother, and that mother is a grandmother being sleeping in orphanage. A grandmother sleeping in orphanage. And the orphanage this woman is sleeping, no television. Victor Emenwa said that he will offer you a television so that your mother will be watching TV. He said, Victor Emenwa said, just going to do that for your mother, not you. How much is television? When you hold 300 euro now, 300 euro can give you 370,000. You get a television, you buy it, just put it on the wall. As now, your mother don't watch television. Ow! When some men use their mama to turn to princess, always look at your mother. See your mama at this age. Then they carry your mama from one orphanage to another orphanage. And it was still get man, constantly they talk. This homeless man, he has no home. They went to go when he was small, no home. He has no roof under his head. The people when they say they suffer, when they streets, now then they make him pass. This one don't poor for the rest of his life. Somebody that used his mouth to say that he was sleeping in orphanage home. The day he said that word on his platform, I felt pity for her. Then I later found out that this man is a useless man. You cannot take any pity from anybody. I said, seriously? Orphanage home. He said he grew up in orphanage home. You grew up in orphanage home. You couldn't make your life to be great. When people see you, they'll say, oh, we orphanage home. Did you see some people that they lost their father, they lost their mother, their auntie take them, or their uncle take them. Later, they drive them out of the house. Those people were sleeping outside. Most of them, people take them to orphanage home. When you see them today, they will tell you that, do you see this orphanage home? I won't sleep this orphanage home. I spent some years in this orphanage home. You go, they buy something they give people when they that orphanage home. Anything when they want to do, even if they want to build John that orphanage home, he go build John and he go support. The orphanage home that you sleep, have you ever support that orphanage home? Even the place, you that abandon your children, how come you become an orphanage master? Make I live on a good night.